Welcome to this deep dive into business process model and notation. We will demystify the visual language that bridges strategy and execution, transforming complex workflows into clear, actionable maps. BPMN acts as the universal translator between business strategy and technical implementation. It relies on three core components to ensure clarity: activities, events, and gateways. Activities represent the actual work performed within a process. They are the primary drivers of value creation and are categorized by their complexity. There are two types of activities: tasks and sub-processes. Tasks function as the indivisible building blocks of any process model. They represent specific, single actions that cannot be broken down further without losing their meaning. When a task becomes too intricate, we group it into a sub-process. This allows us to hide complexity while maintaining a high-level view of the overall workflow. Whether simple or complex, these activities drive the transformation of data or materials. They ensure that every step in the chain contributes directly to the final business outcome. Events define the timing and context of a process. They mark the specific moments where something happens, either starting, interrupting, or ending a flow. A start event acts as the ignition switch for your process. It can be triggered by a specific time, an incoming message, or simply the absence of a condition. Intermediate events capture moments of waiting or external interaction during execution. They allow the process to pause for a timer or react to a message before continuing. Once an end event is reached, the specific path of execution terminates immediately. This provides a clear signal that the business objective for this path has been achieved. Gateways control the divergence and convergence of the process flow. They determine which path the process takes based on conditions or events. Think of an exclusive gateway as a strict fork in the road where only one direction is possible. It evaluates a condition to decide if the process goes left or right. Parallel gateways allow the process to do multiple things at once. They ensure that all defined branches are executed concurrently before merging back into a single flow. Unlike condition-based decisions, event-based gateways wait for an event to happen. The path taken is determined solely by whichever signal, message, or timer triggers first. Let us apply these concepts to a tangible scenario. The new order fulfillment process demonstrates how these elements interact in a live business environment. The workflow initiates when an order is received at a specific time, such as 7 a.m. This start event triggers the entire sequence of fulfillment activities. An exclusive gateway checks if the order is valid. If valid, the process moves to processing. If invalid, it routes to customer contact, ensuring only good orders proceed. Once validated, the flow splits to pick items and print labels at the same time. This concurrency significantly reduces the total time required to prepare the shipment. Sequence flow is the invisible thread that binds all these objects together. It dictates the exact order of execution and the movement of the process token. These arrows act as the roadmap for the process. They ensure that every task and event happens in the correct sequence, preventing logical errors in execution. Imagine a token moving from the start event to the end. It activates each element it touches, ensuring that the process moves forward step by step. Reading the diagram from left to right allows analysts to easily trace the journey of the token. This standard orientation makes complex processes easier to understand. Parallel gateways are powerful tools for optimizing efficiency. They allow us to split work into parallel streams and then synchronize them before continuing. When a parallel gateway splits the flow, it creates multiple tokens. This enables the system to perform tasks like picking and labeling at the exact same time. The second parallel gateway waits for all incoming tokens to arrive. It ensures that both picking and labeling are finished before the shipment can proceed. By waiting for all paths, the process guarantees that no part of the order is missed. This synchronization is critical for maintaining accuracy in complex workflows. Real-world processes are rarely linear. Intermediate events allow us to handle interruptions, delays, and external communications without breaking the main flow. A timer intermediate event pauses the flow for a specific duration. This is essential for processes that require waiting periods, such as approval times or shipping delays. When a message arrives, a message event can interrupt the current task. This allows the process to handle inquiries or updates without stopping the entire workflow. Upon receiving a message, the process can branch into a sub-process to handle the issue. Once resolved, the main flow resumes, ensuring continuity and efficiency. BPMN is not just about drawing shapes. It is about creating a standardized language that eliminates ambiguity. It ensures that everyone understands the process the same way. Using consistent shapes, like circles and diamonds, ensures that business analysts and developers speak the same language. This reduces misinterpretation and errors in implementation. By breaking down complex workflows into logical steps, BPMN makes it easy to identify bottlenecks. This clarity is essential for effective process optimization and improvement. BPMN serves as the common ground where business requirements meet technical specifications. This alignment ensures that the final system accurately reflects the intended business process. Mastering BPMN is the first step toward effective business process modeling. By understanding these core elements, you can translate complex realities into clear, standardized maps. Activities, events, and gateways are the essential building blocks. Mastering their usage allows you to construct any process model with precision and clarity. The flow of the process is what brings the static shapes to life. Understanding how the token moves through the diagram is key to analyzing and optimizing performance. By using a standard notation, organizations can design, analyze, and optimize processes with confidence. This universal understanding is the key to continuous improvement. Thank you for joining this journey into BPMN. We hope you feel empowered to model your own processes with clarity and precision.